YouTube. Got another video for y'all, man. A little ammo haul. You know, about 150 rounds. 9mm Luger brass case, 115 grain full metal jacket, Monarch. Yes, sir. And you know we got that from Academy Sports and Outdoors. Yes, sir. And yes, the boxes are empty. Why is that? Because they're sitting right here. Gonna have to fill this up. Getting a little low. So that's what we'll be doing here. Last one. And we have a straggler. Y'all let me know what y'all do, man. Do y'all store y'all? Do y'all keep them in the box like that? Or do you just have loose rounds like I do right here? What do y'all do? This is my range ammo, so I'll be shooting this. I just take the whole thing with me. And this is a variety. It's a variety of different ammo in here. I kind of just mix it all together. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man. Stay blessed, stay strapped, man. Y'all stay safe out there.